Hey guys, my name's Jody here at Affordable Modular Buildings, and I want to show you around the factory today. This is where it all starts. This is where our welding bays are and where the base of all of our buildings get started. We're extremely busy at the moment. If we look over here, you can see some bases that are ready to be transferred over into our other shed and turned into buildings. It looks like our trucks are all out on delivery at the moment. This is where our transport division is as well. And if you follow me, I'd love to show you the factory where we can see some of the buildings. Something that we do different to a lot of our competitors is that we do a full turnkey solution, including hot water systems. This is a standard hot water system that would be on the end of the building and delivered from the factory. We do the same with our air conditioning units, and we'll just make our way through. This is just half of a building, obviously. We've got quite a few at the moment that are double or triple modules. So another building will come through to complete this one. Make our way through and we step into the fun factory. There's our offices up there. That's where they make it all happen. We've got all our project managers, construction site officers. So we build with a very specifically designed panel that is Class 1A, 7-star energy efficient, can be a firewall with no windows in it. It's a really, really interesting and cool product that doesn't need to have any cladding on it for all of the council regulations to be approved. But we do have options to cover it up or to paint it. We can do some vinyl cladding or metal cladding, but this is what it looks like when it's raw. These particular buildings are quite commercial. We do a sort of a nice blend between commercial and residential projects, so hopefully I can find some good resi ones to show you too. So you can see with these types of floor plans, this one's going to come through to be a we've actually got a 3rd bedroom here, bathroom. So this is essentially going to become a house. It's 12 and each module will be 3 meters. And at the moment we're looking at this half here. So somewhere else in the factory we'll have another module, but it will become a nice tidy home when it's done. This is some of our panels as they're starting to come together, getting ready to be put down. This is an example of what the air cons look like on the edge. This building's just getting placed in or getting moved out. We'll make our way around here. We've got a big commercial project at the moment where we've got walkways between. So you can see this walkway over here, and then we've also got one to the left here. So we've got 8 modules in total for this particular project, and they'll all be joined with these walkways. Here's a couple more long walkways we've got through here. So by building the decks modular like this, we can just get really creative with different outlooks. A lot of the time when the buildings come together, you wouldn't even know that they were modular. But these 2 decks will be really dress up a project that we've got over on the side here. Nice wire balustrading and the box steel. Come this way and I'll show you the building that these are going to be a part of. So this little project, it's just a 9x4 up here. Come on in. So it's not finished yet. This one's actually heading up to Giro near Townsville. It's quite interesting how they've got in a 4-meter module, we've got a little tiny kitchen through here and just a sitting area. This one's a cyclone, it's going into a cyclone zone, if you can come through here. So this is C2 rated. It's got a 1200 by 900 shower. Everything else is very standard. It's got a little laundry tucked behind the door here. So we've got built-in wardrobes in here, which are great. Security screens. And this is a nice little add-on that this particular building has, is we've just put a skirting board just to finish it off nicely. So those 2 decks that I showed you before, one will come out either side for this particular project. It's a very different one. There'll be a deck out here and a deck out the other side extending the living. But it just gives you an idea of something that's quite different that we can do. We'll go and see what other projects we've got. Since this one's been here, a lot of people want walk-in robes now. It's very simple. So you've got a bedroom with a robe, a little bathroom. There's no laundry in this particular plan, but you could quite easily get one in there. And then we've got another bedroom and a full kitchen. It's a little bathroom, and there's the walk-in robe. If you guys have got any questions, please reach out, or if you'd like to actually come and do a factory tour yourself, I'd love to show you around so you can see it all firsthand.